Hi everyone. I've had some questions about the diamond paints I'm doing, and it is a lot of fun. It really is. It's diamond dots is this one. And of course all of you know that follow me about Turtle and his love of turtles. So this is actually a pillow, and it has the zip in the back where I can fill it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to actually make this a wall hanging because he has a sea thing going on in his bedroom, like the boats and the underwater and all this stuff. So this is going to become a wall hanging for his room instead of a pillow. I did get this from Michaels.com. Here's the box. I'm guessing it's either Diamond Dots or Home is the brand. But it's all-inclusive Diamond Dots decorative pillow kit. No sewing required. And let me see, I'm trying to see if there's a size on here anywhere. I have to admit, I have ordered a lot of them, and I kept saying Michael's prices were just too high, but the color on theirs and the quality on this one far outshines the others I have bought. Because it does have these diamond dots on it, it will be something that I will have to put up where he can't actually, get to it. Because if any of these came off and he choked on it, then I would never forgive myself. But these are the simplest things to make. You expose an area you want to work in. You put your little dots over in the tray they provide, and they send you all the dots you need. Normally I would put more, but this is going to be a short video. I'm not going to sit here and do this entire thing on video for you guys because it could get pretty boring. But all you have to do is they will also send you a little cube of wax, which I don't have sitting here right now. But anyway, you just dip this in the wax once, probably every 30 minutes or so, and then you push down on a dot and it picks it up, and you bring it to the area that's marked and you put it down. You get a ledger, what do you call these? You get a printout here that shows you where the dots go. Each bag you get is numbered or lettered, and there's a lot of them in here. Every one project I've done, I've had these left over. I don't know what I'll ever do with them, but if I ever come up short on one, hopefully it'll match closely to one of these, because I did order one project from someone else, not from Michaels. And when it came, I didn't have one whole set of the dots. So here's the little legend, and it's very easy to keep with you that, like bag A16 is all going to go on these little red places with the X in it. And they're simple. I mean, they're very easy to do. I don't have the best eyesight in the world, and this is not hard for me to see. I do put a gooseneck lamp shining right on it, but it is very, very, very relaxing. Honestly, it just relaxes me when I'm stressed out to do these. So I will show you, hopefully, when I finish it, what the finished product looks like. I have a few here I have finished, and I have a set of beagles I'm also working on. So the beagles are very difficult, so I come to this one when I want to relax and get away from it. And I'm putting these back because I have finished with this color for now. I don't come through and do all of the colors at one time like some people I've seen do. I'm working in sections of where I have this torn back, so all of this space will get filled in first before I come down and put any more of this color into the other body parts. Simply because it's just easier for me to do it that way, and because I don't want the cover off of it until I'm finished it. So guys, this is my review on the Michaels diamond dots of the turtle pillow. I am loving it. I love the colors of it. I love the feel of it. If I were to order another pillowcase that had a different design on it, I would probably use it actually as a pillow in a room that little man would not be able to get into. But, you know, 2-year-olds, they're going to pick at it, and even though they're on here really good, my nail's not even bringing it off. A 2-year-old's going to find a way to get it off. So, I do suggest if you do these and you have small children in your house, toddlers or babies in your house that can get to it, you only put it in a room that they're not going to have access to, because you just never know. And these things will go in their nose and their ears, they'll go everywhere. So this is it, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to do some and you don't want to pay Michael's prices, there are still some nice ones on wish.com. They're cheaper, but they're also cheaper quality. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you soon.